Hello students, I am Dr. Rahul. I am from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Lahore. Today we have come together to see one of the points from chapter 4 from geography, that is minerals and power resources. Let's start today's session. Today we are going to learn power resources and its types. Power resources means what? For our daily life, in our day-to-day life, we require energy, we require power resources, and because of that only, we can develop in agriculture, in industries, in transport and communication. That's why it plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Let's see the types of power resources. We find there are the main two types of power resources are there. First one conventional and second one non-conventional. These are the four types are there. Let's see one by one. First one is the conventional energy sources. Now what is meant by conventional energy sources? Its definition is that when we cannot reuse a source of energy after using it. Okay, it is called the conventional energy sources. Means once we have used that power resource, that time we cannot use again. So it is known as the conventional energy sources. And as we said that we cannot reuse it, so they have the limited reserves and are like to be exhaust in the future if we are using continuously. That's why these are also called as a non-renewable resources, means which we cannot renew it. So it is known as a non-renewable resources. So some examples are there. We can say coal. Coal is the best example of this conventional energy source because once we use, we cannot use again. Then petroleum is also there. Once we use it through the vehicles in industries, we cannot use. Then natural gas, again the nuclear energy. So these are the some examples of conventional energy sources. Now see next one is the non-conventional sources. Just like opposite of the conventional sources, that the sources which are replaced or reproduced naturally are called non-conventional sources. Means what? We can reuse it, we can use again and again, and this can be produced naturally again and again. So these are called as the non-conventional sources. So these are the unlimited. Okay, these sources are unlimited, and that's why these are also known as the renewable resources. Means we can renew it, we can renew it, we can use by renew it. So these non-conventional sources are called as the renewable sources. Conventional are called non-renewable sources, and non-conventional are called as the renewable sources. Let's see some examples of non-renewable sources, or we can say the non-conventional sources. That is solar. Okay, this is the unlimited source of energy, you know that. Okay, so that's why it is the non-conventional sources. Then geothermal energy means the hot streams are there inside the earth, through that we can produce the energy. Then wind also is the continuous source of the energy. And biogas, nowadays many people are using the biogas, that is the human waste, animal waste, kitchen waste is converted into the energy. So these are the some examples of non-conventional sources. So still nowadays also, that is the firewood, charcoal, cow dung cake and the crop residue are used as a domestic fuel, especially in rural area. We find this is the charcoal is there. Okay, after the burning of the wood, we get the charcoal. Then this is the cow dung cake, and this is the remaining of the crops. So these are used as the fuel, okay, to burn in the house or especially in the kitchen. And hydroelectricity and nuclear power can help to bridge the gap between the demand and supply of the power, because population is increasing day by day and the demand of power is also increasing. So hydroelectricity and the nuclear power can be used to fulfill the demands of energy in the future. Okay, so my dear students, this is sufficient for this session, for this period. In next period we will see, we will come with another point. Thank you very much.